Yes. So answer is 1 by pi centimeter per second. Let me take the 8th problem. Problem number 8. Problem number 8. A ladder of 5 meter long. A ladder of 5 meter long. A ladder of 5 meter long is leaning against a wall. The bottom of the ladder is pulled along the ground away from the wall at the rate of 2 centimeter per second. How fast is the height? How fast is the height on the wall decreasing? On the wall decreasing. When the foot of the ladder is is 4 meter away from the wall. 1 minute, it is centimeter, okay, not meter. 4 centimeter away from. Ladder of 5 meter long is leaning against wall. The bottom of the ladder is pulled along the ground away from the wall at the rate of 2 centimeter per second. Correct. How fast is the height of the wall decreasing? When the foot of the ladder is 4 meter away from the wall. Again it is meter itself. Okay, meter away from the wall. Over. See the question correctly. Ladder of 5 meter long. Actually, what is the meaning of the question is, ladder is kept inclined, so that it's inclined on the ground against smooth vertical wall. Just it is kept inclined. Now, leaning against a wall, bottom of the ladder is pulled along the ground away from the wall. Now, bottom of the ladder is pulled and the speed is away from the wall at the rate of 2 centimeter. 2 centimeter per second. It is pulled away. Immediately the tip of the ladder comes down. Clear, no? Whenever you are pulling the ladder, away from this at the rate of 2 centimeter per second, tip of the ladder comes down. At what speed? 2 centimeter per second. Don't say like that. If it is 2 centimeter per second, then there is no question at all. Why you have to calculate that? Find the how fast is the height of the wall decreasing. Height of the wall. How fast is the height of the ladder tip? See, one more mistake here. How fast is the height of the ladder decreasing when the foot of the ladder is 4 meters away? If the bottom is pulled away at the rate of 2 centimeters per second, tip of the ladder also comes at the same speed. It is a general opinion, but it's not actually so. If you pull the bottom at the rate of 2 centimeters per second, if the ladder is lying horizontally on the ground, then it is your right. Tip or the bottom, if you pull it at the speed of 2 centimeters per second, tip of the ladder also comes in the same speed. If the ladder is lying on the ground horizontally. If the ladder is kept vertically to the ground, you are pulling the bottom at the rate of 2 centimeters per second. Just imagine, bottom is pulled at the rate of 2 centimeters per second. Is the tip of the ladder comes down? No, 0. It is not at all coming down. If the ladder is kept vertically to the ground, if it is on the horizontal ground, bottom of the ladder, tip of the ladder, both are moving at the same speed, 2 centimeters per second. If it is kept vertically on the ground, bottom is pulled away at the speed of 2 centimeters per second. Bottom is not at all coming down. It is at the same place, 0. So don't say that if the bottom is moving at the rate of 2 centimeters per second, tip of the ladder also comes in the same speed. No. That is why the question is asked. Find that. So let me take, this is bottom of the ladder at any time, let it be x. Tip of the ladder at any time be y. And length of the ladder is given, see 5 meters. 5 meters. So immediately one equation comes here. At any time, wherever it may be the ladder, x square plus y square is always hypotenuse square. If the ladder is like this, see, after coming downward, if it is this, then also x square plus y square is hypotenuse square, because length of the ladder remains same. So let x and y are distances to the bottom and tip of the ladder. Tip of the ladder at any time. Therefore, x square plus y square, tip of the ladder at any time where? From where? From the origin, let me do. From the origin. This one, let me call it as, otherwise you have to mention what is it. From where that x is taken. At any time from the origin, O. This is I called origin. Therefore, the equation is x square plus y square always 25. Equation 1. Right? Now, differentiating both sides with respect to time t. What you get? 2x dx by dt, 2y dy by dt equal to 0. Or dividing throughout by 2, what you get? Divide by 2, x dx by dt, y dy by dt equal to 0. This is equation number 2. Now what are the things given? Let me list that. Given that, tell me one by one. Given that the bottom of the ladder is pulled away at the rate of, so dx by dt is given. Bottom distance of the bottom of the ladder varies at the rate of. That means x changes at the rate of. So dx by dt is 2 centimeter per second. Is the height on the ladder. How fast is the height on the ladder? Height of the ladder. Height of the ladder decreasing when the foot of the ladder is 4 meters away from the wall. So it is dy by dt, height of the ladder from the origin. Dy by dt, it is asked. When the foot of the ladder is 4 meters, foot of the ladder means we have taken x equal to 4 meters. Yes, all the things are written. Go back once again. A little complication arises due to the sentence there, but it was given in the textbook as it is. Anyway, make the correction there. Height of the ladder decreasing when the foot of the ladder is 4 meters away. One by one, base or the bottom of the ladder moves at the rate of, 2. Find the height of the ladder decreasing. Yes, dy by dt is a question. When you have to calculate it? When the bottom reaches 4 meters, by that time what is the rate at which tip of the ladder falls? So he can calculate y here, see, x square, but x square plus y square equal to 25, equation number 1. So x square is 4 square plus y square equal to 25, or y square equal to 25 minus 16, 9, y is 3. Dx by dt known, dy by dt you have to find out. X is given, you can calculate y, put all the values in the equation number 2. Just put all the values in the equation number 2, you find required quantity dy by dt. So from 2, let me continue. From equation 2, write one by one. Shall I write here itself? 2, x means 4 into dx by dt 2 plus y into, y we have calculated 3, dy by dt, it is required, equal to right hand side 0. 3 dy by dt equal to, 3 dy by dt equal to centimeter per second. One more mistake we did. Anyway, the answer will come in centimeter, that's all. 2 centimeter per second, but length and distance is given in meter. Better to convert this one into meter only, I think. 2 by 100, 0.02 meter per second, correct, no? 4 into 0.02, 3 into dy by dt 0, or it is minus 0.08. because all other quantities are in meters, I think. Only that one is given in centimeter per second. So let me convert it. 0.02 meter per second. Now it is dy by dt is therefore equal to minus 0.08 divided by 3 meter per second. Meter per second. Why this minus sign? Because the upper end is coming downward. From the origin, right hand side is positive. You have taken this one as plus. So if it is away from the origin, then it will be plus, positive. But the tip of the bladder comes down towards the origin. So sign is negative. Anyway, let me write the answer correctly here. Answer is, therefore, the rate at which tip of the ladder coming downwards, or what they call decreases, the tip of the ladder moves towards the origin or ground, is minus 0.08 divided by 3 meter per second, or multiply it minus multiply by 100, 8 by 3 centimeter per second, one and the same. One more thing is, rate at which the tip of the ladder moves towards the origin, you need not write minus sign, because already you have mentioned. Rate at which the tip is moving, you have to put the minus sign. Clear now? So it is when the rate at which the ladder moves towards the origin, not necessary to put the minus sign, because already you have mentioned it is towards the origin. Just write absolute value. Rate at which the tip of the ladder moves, then you have to write minus sign. So let me put this one bracket here. It has big to moves. Once again, got the idea? When the rate of change of tip of the ladder is, just write with the minus sign. Rate at which a tip of the ladder moves towards the origin, already you have given the direction towards the origin, no need of putting the minus sign. Clear now? Just write this. Towards the origin, I have written inside the bracket in order to avoid the confusion. Minus 8 by 3 centimeter per second. Problem number 9. Ninth one. A particle moves along the curve. Along the curve 6y equal to x cube plus 2. Find the point on the curve. Find the point on the curve at which the y coordinate is changing. Y coordinate is changing 8 times as fast as x coordinate. Again, rate of change itself, no doubt. Particle moves along the curve 6y equal to given 6y equal to x cube plus 2. As x changes, y also changes. It is a function. Find the point on this curve at which the y coordinate is changing. Y coordinate is changing. dy by dt. 8 times as fast as x coordinate over. dy by dt is 8 times dx by dt given. So given this equation, also dy by dt is 8 times dx by dt. These are the two things given. Question is to find the point on the curve satisfying this condition. So this is equation 1. If you want, this is 2. Differentiate first equation. Differentiating 1 both sides with respect to not x, remember, time t. 6 dy by dt equal to 3x square dx by dt. 6 dy by dt equal to 3x square derivative cube into derivative of x dx by derivative constant 0, leave it. Fill up the values. 6 into, in the place of dy by dt write 8 dx by dt equal to 3x square dx by dt. Cancelling dx by dt from both sides, you get 48 equal to 3x square, or x square equal to 48 by 3, 16, or x equal to plus or minus 4. Find the point on the curve, not only x coordinate, y coordinate also have to find. Put x equal to 4 in equation 1. 6y equal to 64, 4 cube, 64 plus 2. Or 6y equal to 66, y equal to 11. Again put x equal to minus 4 in 1. 6y equal to minus 64 plus 2. Minus 62. Correct, no? Minus 4 cube, minus 64 plus 2. Right. Y equal to minus 62 by 6 or minus 31 by 3. Therefore, required points are, there are 2 points. Required points are, write both the points. First one is x coordinate when it is 4, corresponding y coordinate 11. And another one when x coordinate is minus 4, y coordinate is minus 31 by 3. Over. Find coordinates of the point where the y coordinate changes at the rate of 8 times x coordinate. That's all. Shall I write the next problem? Problem number 10. 10. Sand is poured. Sand is pouring from a pipe at the rate of 12 centimeter cube cc per second. The falling sand forms a right circular cone on the ground in such a way that the height of the cone is always one-sixth of the radius of the base How fast is the height of the sand? Sand cone is increasing. When the height is 4 centimeters,